Look down at your jeans right now. Check your jacket, your backpack. Chances are, stamped somewhere on that zipper pull, you'll find 3 letters: YKK. Once you clock it the first time, you start seeing it everywhere, and you can't unsee it. So what's the deal? How did one company manage to quietly corner the market on something as unglamorous as a zipper? Let's dig into it, right here on The Hidden Horizon. Our story kicks off in 1934 in Japan with a young businessman named Tadao Yoshida. He's the guy who laid the groundwork for what would eventually become YKK. Zippers already existed back then, but calling them reliable would have been generous. They jammed, they split apart, they quit on you at the worst possible time. Yoshida didn't just want to sell zippers, he wanted to build the ones nobody else could match. His guiding idea? What he called the cycle of goodness. The belief that you can't truly succeed unless what you make genuinely helps other people first. Early on, though, things were rough. Japan simply lacked the industrial machinery to manufacture precision zippers, so Yoshida did something drastic. He built his own equipment from the ground up instead of importing it. That single choice became the foundation of everything that followed. By owning every stage of production, from raw material to finished zipper, his company could guarantee a level of consistency competitors couldn't touch. That strategy has a name: vertical integration. And it's still the engine behind YKK's dominance today. Most manufacturers farm out pieces of their supply chain. YKK doesn't. They smelt their own brass, weave their own polyester tape, mix their own dyes, and even build the machines that stitch it all together in-house. That kind of total control lets them hit premium quality without pricing themselves out of the mass market, a combination almost nobody else pulls off. But craftsmanship alone doesn't explain global takeover. The real breakthrough came after World War II, as Japan's economy clawed its way back and worldwide clothing demand exploded. Manufacturers needed a supplier who could crank out enormous volume without ever dropping the ball on quality. YKK filled that gap perfectly. Their zippers simply didn't fail, and for a clothing brand, that kind of dependability is worth more than almost anything. One bad zipper can tank an entire product line, so brand after brand, from luxury fashion houses to mass market retailers, started building YKK into their supply chains as the default. And that created a snowball effect. The more brands adopted YKK, the more trustworthy it looked. And the more trustworthy it looked, the faster new brands signed on. Today, the numbers are staggering. Billions of zippers churned out annually, operations running in more than 70 countries, and roughly half of every zipper on the planet carrying that same 3-letter stamp. For a product most people never consciously think about, that's remarkable market control. But it tracks. A zipper might be tiny, yet if it snaps, everything attached to it fails too. Part of what drives that trust is obsessive engineering. Zippers look basic, but they're actually tight mechanical systems. Each tooth has to interlock flawlessly, and the slider has to move without a hitch. YKK pours serious money into research and development, torturing prototypes with heat, cold, moisture, twisting, and stretching to make sure they hold up under anything. Interestingly, zippers aren't even YKK's only business. They also manufacture aluminum window systems and curtain walls for skyscrapers. Different product, same DNA. Total in-house control, obsessive quality checks, zero tolerance for shortcuts. There's a quieter effect at play too. YKK's logo was never designed to be flashy. It's small, easy to miss. But to people who notice it, it functions almost like a seal of trust. A tiny signal that says, this was built right. Competitors exist, some cheaper, But for most brands, shaving a few cents off zipper costs isn't worth risking customer complaints or returns down the line. So next time you zip up your jacket, take a second look at that little stamp. Those 3 letters represent nearly a century of precision engineering and a philosophy built on mutual benefit.